Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Apollo Group TV on your iPhone. So the first step is just go to the Play Store of your mobile phone, and once you're into the Play Store you might be either on the home section or apps or article or arcade. So just go to the search section, and in this section just search the name of the application called Apollo Group TV, and make sure to write down the complete name of the application, and after that click on search. And once you click on search, here is the application Apollo Group TV. And if you do not see at the first, just scroll down a little bit. As you can see, like the other applications with the similar names are also listed. So make sure to find the application the Apollo Group TV, and once you find the application click on get and you will be able to download it. And let's say for some reason you're not able to see the application, so what you can do is just click on your profile icon on the upper right corner, and once you click on your profile icon just click on the profile or your iCloud ID, and once you click here just make sure to enter your password and it will load. So it will take a few seconds, so wait for it. And once its loading is ended, so make sure to enter your iCloud password. And once you enter your iCloud password, so what you need to do is just basically change your region. And once you click on sign in, so I will show you how you can change your region. So just go here, and once you're in here let it load. And once you're in this section just click, like you can see the region, country, region. As you can see my region is United States, so whatever your region is just change your region to United States. And once you change your region you will be able to find the application Apollo Group TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can find the Apollo Group TV application on iPhone.